We're here at Hurco's open house of 2022.
Should we go inside and find out what's happening?
Let's have a look. Gosh, this is really busy.
I'm looking forward to finding out what they're doing.
It's always a popular event. It's a nice relaxed event. What's nice is we have all our sales guys here, all our applications guys, and all our main suppliers as well. So it's a total of 18 suppliers, from finance to rotary tables to tooling. So they can have a relaxed walk around. They see the entire Hurco range, and they get to see all the additions that you'd normally buy whilst you do that. So it's just a great opportunity to, if you're planning your next purchase.
Well, that's because obviously the industry is constantly changing and expanding, and you need to know what's out there. And Hurco bringing out new machines, new software, and you want to stay relevant and up to date within the industry.
It's nice to actually physically get your hands on the machines. You know, see if you can shove your shoulders through the doors, see if you can reach the spindles. It sounds silly, but it gets annoying if you're stuck there for a few years with an uncomfortable machine.
It's always interesting to see what the latest developments are. Yeah, it's been really good. We've really discovered some new things today. So we've been talking to the CAD guys. I mean, they offer some really good stuff. So we're going to investigate that further. We found some nice tooling solutions today, which is really good. So yeah, it's been good, really good. Really enjoyed it.
And as a solution provider, we can actually tailor the need for the individual. So we work closely with Hurco and bring them, hopefully, solutions that the engineers at the end of the day are actually happy with.
It's to get new customers interested, existing customers interested, people talking to other suppliers and vendors. It generates a buzz within the industry, and people talk to other companies they don't know about. They all sort of network together. It's a really good environment to be in.
I think the thing is, our customers are so busy. Everyone we're talking to, they're full of work, they're struggling for capacity, they're working, trying to employ more people. What we see is the sectors that we work in, aerospace, oil and gas, even automotive, motor racing, all those kind of industries are really quite busy, and people seem to need what we do. So, whilst the economy as a whole doesn't look so great, I think our industry will be the first one to buck the trend.